Hello everyone. In today's lecture we are going to solve example based on differentiation under the integral sign. As you know, differentiation under integral sign we are solved using the Leibnitz rule, which I have discussed in the previous lecture. So today we are going to solve examples. Here solve integral 0 to 1 x raised to e power a minus x raised to e power b divided by log of x dx. Here a is greater than 0, b is greater than 0. Now see here, it is a function of a and b. And to solve this integral, we have to use here Leibniz rule. And we know that in the Leibniz rule, we want function in the single variable. For that, we just separate this term by base. Then we get integral 0 to a1. Here if we separate this term, then it is x raised to e power a divided by log of x dx minus integral 0 to 1 x raised to e power b log of x dx, because we know that we can separate the integration in addition and subtraction. So we write this term in this form. Now see here, the first term is a function of x and a and second term is a function of x and b. So after integration, if we put limit 0 to 1 in x, then this is the only function of a. That means this term is a function of a, so we can write it is f of a, and this second term is a function of b. So our given integration I is nothing but f of a minus f of b. Now see here, both इंटीग्रेशन के लिए हमने फंक्शन का नोटेशन कैपिटल f लिया है, f of a, f of b. Why? Because both the integrals similar है, just उनमें a और b का डिफरेंस है. Instead of a in integration 1, if we write b, then we get second integration. That's why हमने यहाँ पे f of a और f of b same notation लिया है. Now see here, our f of a is integral 0 to 1 x raised to e power a divided by log of x dx. Suppose it is equation number 1 and this is equation star. Here this is the function of a, so we can differentiate this term with respect to a because we want to use differentiation under integral sign. So we are differentiating this term with respect to a because it is a function of a. So now differentiate with respect to a by using Leibniz rule. So here left hand side is df of a by dA. Here left hand side is a only function of a, so we get df of a by dA. Right hand side contain two variable x and a. So here we have to use partial differentiation with respect to a, because when we are integrating with respect to a, we have to keep y as a constant, and this integral with respect to x, so this term is constant, so integral 0 to 1 as it is, and inside term contain a, so ये जो function है इसी को हम a से respect में differentiate करेंगे. So we have to differentiate this term. तो x raised to e power a को differentiate करते वक्त simple formula use करेंगे derivative का, that is a raised to e power x. If we are differentiating a raised to e power x with respect to x, then derivative is a raised to e power x log a. अब यहाँ पे x वेरिएबल था इसलिए ये वाला टर्म आ गया. Now here if we differentiate x raised to e power a with respect to a, क्या होगा इसका मीनिंग? जस्ट हमने x और a वेरिएबल को इंटरचेंज किया, तो a हमारे लिए वेरिएबल है और x क्या है? कांस्टेंट. तो x अगर कांस्टेंट है तो जस्ट लाइक एज दिस टर्म इट इज x raised to e power a log of x. x के जगह पे a लिखा है, a के जगह पे x. That means here a is our variable and x is constant, this term. And same rule here we have to apply. We are differentiating x raised to e power a with respect to a. That means we are differentiating x raised to e power a with respect to a. So the derivative of numerator term is x raised to e power a into log of x divided by log of x constant term as it is dx as it is. Here log of x get cancelled, then remaining is integral 0 to 1 x raised to e power a dx. Now here we have to integrate this term, and here integration we have to use the formula, that is integration x raised to e power n is x raised to e power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. अब यहाँ पे आप लोग x से इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हैं तो x वेरिएबल रहेगा और एक कांस्टेंट के जैसे ट्रीट होगा. दैट्स वाई वी आर यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. तो हियर इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस टर्म इज x रेज टू पावर a plus 1 divided by a plus 1. Limit is 0 to 1. Now here put upper limit minus of lower limit. See here x से इंटीग्रेट किया है तो यहाँ पे अपर लिमिट लोअर लिमिट भी x के अंदर पुटअप होगा. So if we put upper limit, then it is 1 upon a plus 1 minus lower limit. So when x equals to 0, then whole term is 0. That means df of a by dA is equals to 1 upon a plus 1. But we want to find the value of f of a. ये तो हमारा डिफ्रेंशिएशन का आंसर आ गया, बट हमारा टास्क ये नहीं है. We want f of a. और हमें पता है कि एफ ऑफ डेरिवेटिव और इंटीग्रल अगर सेम वेरिएबल से एट ए टाइम आते हैं तो वी गेट ओरिजिनल फंक्शन. दैट मीन्स अगर हमारे पास में डी एफ ऑफ एक्स बाई डी एक्स है, डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ फंक्शन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, एंड वी आर इंटीग्रेटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, इंटीग्रेशन एंड डेरिवेटिव विद सेम वेरिएबल, देन वी गेट ओरिजिनल फंक्शन. सो हियर हमने फंक्शन को ए से डिफ्रेंशिएट किया है. नाउ वी हैव टू इंटीग्रेट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ए. सो इंटीग्रेटिंग दिस टर्म with respect to a. So therefore left hand side is f of a and right hand side is integral 1 upon 1 plus a dA plus we get integrating constant c. So the integration of this term is log of a plus 1 plus c. Hence we get f of a. But again the problem is we have to find constant c. This integrating constant we get because of differentiation and integration. But ये same term हमें second f of b के टाइम पे भी मिलेगा, तो हम at a time ही दोनों constant की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. So here ये सपोज हमारा है इक्वेशन नंबर 2. Now from same way we have to find value of f of b, and f of b is nothing but here f of b is our integral 0 to 1 x raised to e power b divided by log of x dx. If we observe f of a and f of b, see here f of a is this one, f of b is this integral. Both the integral are similar, just there is a difference of this a and b. That means value of this integral is same, just instead of a we have to write b. So similarly f of b is nothing but log of b plus 1 plus we get integrating constant. Suppose we take integrating constant is d. तो ये कहाँ से लिखा है हमने, इक्वेशन 2 से, क्योंकि f of a f of b सेम है, जस्ट a के जगह पे b लिखना था. तो f of b इक्वल्स टू दिस वन. Now put this value in equation star. Equation star is I is equals to f of b, f of a minus f of b. So here f of a is our log of a plus 1 plus c minus f of b is log of b plus 1 plus d. So because of this minus, it is minus d. So using property of log a minus log b is log of a by b. So it is log of a plus 1 divided by b plus 1 plus c minus d. C is integrating constant, d is also integrating constant. The subtraction become new constant. So new constant we take capital E. Hence the solution of our integration. तो जैसे मैंने कहा था कि ये a किसकी वजह से मिला है, हमने डिफरेंशिएशन अंडर इंटीग्रल साइन की प्रोसेस अप्लाई की, जिसमें हमने डिफरेंशिएट किया, इसलिए हमें इंटीग्रेट करना पड़ा सो दैट वी गेट ओरिजिनल इंटीग्रेशन, और इसके वजह से ये ए यहाँ पे मिला हुआ है। और ओरिजिनल जो क्वेश्चन है वो डेफिनाइट इंटीग्रल का है, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे कोई ए आना नहीं चाहिए था, इंटीग्रेटिंग कांस्टेंट. So we have to find that value of integrating constant. How to find? Again, here this is the original integration. It is a function of a and b. So here we have to put the value of a and b such that we can solve this integral easily. Here, if you observe this integration, if a and b are similar, then this subtraction is 0. That means any value we can take, just we have to take care that a and b are equal so that we can easily get the value of this integration. So we can take any value. So here I take a equals to b equals to 1 in equation number 1. That means our given integration. So here I at 1 comma 1 is equals to 0. A is 1, b is 1. If we put in our integration, then integral is 0. Now same value of a and b, put a equals to b equals to 1 in equation number 4. We want to find the value of a, so we have to put this value in equation number 4. Then here I at 1 comma 1 is 0, so left hand side is 0, right hand side is log of a is 1, b is 1, so 2 divided by 2 plus a, and it is log of 1, and we know that log of 1 is 0, so here a equals to 0. Put this value of constant in equation number 4, then final answer of our integral is I equals to log of a plus 1 divided by b plus 1. That is integral 0 to 1 x raised to e power a minus x raised to e power b divided by log of x dx is equals to log of a plus 1 divided by b plus 1. In this way, we can solve integration using differentiation under integral sign. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.